Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking lug width and removing the spring bars. This ensures the adjuster will seat correctly. Once done, lay the watch face down on a soft cloth and orient the steel strap adjuster so its tooth side faces the buckle. This prevents slippage. Next, press the adjuster's locking tab open and feed the strap end into the slot. Feel for the click. You do this now because early alignment saves time later. Make small adjustments until the teeth engage evenly. You now thread the strap through the adjuster, pushing the tail until you reach your target overlap. This controls final length. Then, align the adjuster teeth with the strap grooves or punched holes. Use a small screwdriver to nudge teeth into place if needed. Once aligned, set the micro adjust to a conservative position and press the clamp shut firmly. This secures the strap without overcompressing. You do this carefully because improper alignment causes uneven wear and poor tension. You finish by locking the clamp fully, then trim any excess tail with flush cutters and file the edge smooth so it won't catch. Next, reinstall the spring bars and check the strap sits flat with even tension across the wrist. Move the clasp through its range to confirm no pinching. Wear the watch for a day and recheck tightness after activity. Troubleshooting tip: if the adjuster slips, reopen, realign teeth with the strap grooves, remove debris, and red-tighten the clamp. This fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.